so that these are looking corroded. These are here looking corroded and breaking off this piece right here.
Okay.
Push it in. Tried it for the hell of it, and the blue light came on again about an hour, 2 hours ago.
Okay.
But yeah, it keeps going on and on. So do your business, do your thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm just looking up because I took the grid off there in the front. See if the igniter's lit, and I couldn't see it in this light. And that door's a piece of shit. This thing's falling apart. So.
Yeah.
So yeah, by all means, do what you gotta do.
Okay.
I did the what's it called, Dr. Google kind of thing, and took a look at what that was. And there's some reset button on the inside. You probably would know this before I would. It's turn off the gas to it and electric. I wasn't gonna try that without them around. Anyways, yeah, bust a move, man.
All right.
And anything, let me know. I got some water in there.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I got all that with me.
Yeah.
So.
I got a pad on my foot right here for your knees or anything.
No, I'm just gonna sit. I'm just gonna sit right on the ground,
Very cool.
so I should be good.
All right. Very good.
All right, thanks. Oh yeah, you got water down in here.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, quite a bit. See all this water down in here?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What would cause that?
That would either be like an inner tank leak, or it could be this drain valve's leaking, but it's probably the tank.
That's probably the culprit.
Yeah, that's probably what's going on. Yeah, usually it gets up into the insulation, so the air comes in through the side of these vents and goes down and then comes up. So if it's full of water, it's not going to get air. You know, the air can't get through the water, right? It's not drawn enough. So I can, I'll let her know that it's leaking, and I'll probably drill a hole or something down here just to drain it all out. I have a vacuum, but I didn't bring it with me. And then that way it'll keep running for you guys until she decides whether she wants, you know, when she's going to replace it.
Yeah, I want to say this is like a little less than 10 years old, I guess, but that sucks.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's about 10 years old.
Yeah, because I remember I came here in 2015. We got within about a year of that, maybe. Yeah, it's like 8 plus to 9 years. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a bowl down in here, so it holds about, you know, a couple inches of water, and you can see it's just, so it's probably leaking. There's a chance it could be the drain valve but probably not. I saw the same thing yesterday, exact same model water heater, and we changed the drain valve, and it was still, the water just showed right back up again. So.
And the water could be the culprit for not allowing the igniter to go off.
Yeah, it's combustion, so it needs oxygen.
Yeah.
So if it can't, if you can't get any air, and then you'll come out and relight it. That's great. You were able to even relight it and get it going, but it was giving.
It worked, but other than that, it's just been cold water for like 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, it'll just give you intermittent issues. So. I'll probably get my phone and let her know, and then at least get it going. So once I drill the hole and the water comes out, yeah, you'll have water kind of coming through here, but it'll be very gradual after that, and then it'll just keep running.
Okay.
It'll just keep running until she makes her decision on what she wants to do. You know, either get a new one or whatever she wants to do.
All right.
So.
Yeah,
Okay. All right, we got another flooded water heater. This one's probably shot. So we're gonna drill this bad boy out. I've been using my impact lately. I really like this thing. It gives me all the torque that I need. There we go. Water should start showing up. There it is. And we'll get it drained and then get it relit. So I guess they're tearing this house down in like 5 or 6 months, so there's a pretty good chance she's gonna want to buy a used water heater from me. Good news for me. Then I don't have to worry about the water heater going more than 5 or 6 months. This is my 3rd flooded water heater in 2 days. One I was able to save, the other one I was not able to save, and I guess she didn't want to hire me to do the install. She probably got her boyfriend to install it. I didn't film that. The other one was one this morning. It was only a year old, so I knew the tank was probably pretty good. It was just leaking at the plastic drain valve. This one I suspect is definitely inner tank leak. It's because it's like a 2014 Rheem, like 40 gallon. But I think I can easily get one of my 50 gallon water heaters in here. Quite a bit of water. I can't even feel the hole, which is kind of weird. I should be able to feel that hole. Should have brought my vacuum with me. I kept going back and forth as to whether I should bring my vacuum, you know. What's my standing rule? Always bring my vacuum to a service call, just in case. Gotta follow my own rules. Let's see a pilot up there. So this is my third service call today. Okay. Yeah, I see pilot light now. We got blue light. And this water is cold. Look at this. Look at this door. Falling apart. I guess it could be rainwater, although it hasn't rained. It's been like almost no rain this year. Give you a little tour. I'm in a part of, where am I? I want to say Spring Valley, but I think I'm in Lemon Grove. It's very rural for being so close to the city. It's crazy. You get like multiple acres of property out here. Still got blue light. This thing should run now. Anyway, kind of a short service call. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. Maybe I'll be doing a video on an installation here. Who knows? Maybe she'll want to wait a couple days. See if the water keeps going. I don't know. But that definitely would cause it to shut off. So I just rip all the insulation out because usually the water heater's done anyway. It allows the air to get down inside there. The heat will dry out the rest of it. And let's see, I kind of hold this door. There's a tiny bit of water, but that won't stop anything now. You can kind of see it down in there. View of the flame, see what's going on with that. Looks like condensation drops. Looks like some big ones there. That's condensation that falls when the gas burns. Looks like some pretty big drops. Hopefully this bad boy will survive that. Getting a little bit better. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.